Rainforest by Gus Chandy and Matthew Ford. Animals. There are many animals in the rainforest like snakes, red-eyed tree frog, and butterflies, and also have jaguars. And there are wolf spiders, lizards, and there are birds and crocodiles and worms and fish. Plants. They have bananas and orchards and coffee plants, a Brazil nut tree, poisonata, cocoa, and they also have rubber trees, helion, and sapodilla, and at least but not least, burrowwood. Maps. Climax. The climax of a rainforest is very hot and wet. The average temperature is 80 degrees Fahrenheit all year round, except for cool nights. On cool nights, it never drops below 64 degrees Fahrenheit. It rains about 100 to 140 inches of rain a year. Only one-third of the rain hits the forest floor. Humidity of the rainforest is usually 85%. At night, it's usually gets 95% humidity. Landforms. There is the different kinds of landforms in the rainforest. Rainforest made up 14% of the earth. Now it makes up 6% of the earth. This 6% is mostly mountains, valleys, floodland, plains, streams, and a little bit of wetlands.